Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix PUBG login problem. Please wait for a minute before logging in again in the PUBG mobile and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So you can try both the methods on iOS as well as on the Android. The first thing what you have to do is very simple. You just have to download a VPN. So here I'm having a VPN named Turbo VPN. As you can see that I'm having the VPN. The VPN is available in the Play Store. You have to download the VPN. After downloading, you have to open the VPN. Let me open this. And after opening the VPN, you have to connect the VPN to any one of the countries. You just have to tap to connect, and you just have to wait for a short period of seconds. Okay, unless it is connected. Once after it is connected, what you have to do is just have to open the game once again and the problem will be completely fixed. As you can see that it is now connected to United States. Okay, I'm having an ad in between. So as you can see, it is connected to United States, and once after it is connected, what you have to do is just have to open the game and the issue will be completely fixed. So this is about how to fix this issue on your PUBG, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and you can try the method for both on iOS as well as on the Android. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.